Hello, today we're going to be looking at adjusting the TDP 6S's punch pressure. Other tablet presses in the TDP range such as the TDP 0, TDP 1.5 and TDP 5 have their punch pressure adjusted from the upper drift pin assembly. However, the TDP 6S's punch pressure is adjusted from the adjustment cam. On the adjustment cam, there's an adjustment knob, which can simply be undone by turning counterclockwise, adjusted down the cam to increase the punch pressure, and up the cam to decrease the punch pressure. One of the advantages of this system is the teeth on the cam, which gives you a visual measurement of the pressure being applied. As always when adjusting punch pressure, we suggest having the punch pressure right off and then slowly increase it and test by rotating the flywheel by hand. Applying too much pressure can jam the machine, so doing it slowly in small increments is to prevent damage to your machine and tooling. If you find you've run out of adjustment teeth and you still need more pressure, you can undo the adjustment knob fully and move it up to the next hole and replace, then gradually increase the pressure as before. We're constantly looking to help our customers with new video guides, so if you feel you need assistance, please get in contact. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.